this is my first day at School of Lockdown, and I'm really nervous. You know, I've never done this before, but you know, the extremities of this virus is forcing us to become more than we've ever been. I mean, I never dreamed I'd be a teacher. So it brings up a lot of fears in me. You know, I really want to take this seriously because, you know what, it's my children's future. I mean, if this goes longer than 4 weeks, I mean, we could be here for months. So, you know, I've got to take this seriously. I've got to be like on. Okay everybody, Moerewatanga, welcome to our first class of School of Lockdown. Okay everybody, I'm gonna sneeze. Now when you sneeze in your arm. Oh, and be careful because you might get some lipstick on there. You know, this whole dab, dab, tap, tap, hey, how's it going little buddy? I've just sneezed into that. We don't want to do that. We want to do namaste, whānau. We want to do namaste. Okay, so this is my podium and I am the teacher now. I'm not mum. What should my name be? I'm thinking master. I'm thinking ma'am. I would like ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, so for the next 4 weeks, we are school as usual. None of this, I'm going to have a day off because we are in lockdown. Okay, children?
Yeah.
I'm going to take this seriously because this might not go on just for 4 weeks. It might go on for longer. So, for our first lesson, each and every one of you will be learning how to clean. Out that way.
3 days later.
Now this is really important, you must not stuff this up. I expect this every morning. Wait, you're supposed to stir that. Stir it up. Oh no, it tides you up, girl. We want high tide coffee. Excellent. Yep. Our first cup of coffee. Wow, what an achievement, everybody. We're going to be doing that on week 2, okay, boys? Here you go. So that was our first lesson, and I think we did pretty good.